Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming iCloud capacity and creating a backup because you need safe rollback if something fails. Once done, update iOS to the latest release so the migration tools behave predictably. Next, open Settings and tap your name, then iCloud. Note available GB and which apps already use iCloud. You will disable local-only storage selectively. Make sure to have at least 10% free space in iCloud or enough GB for the largest app. You now move app data into iCloud by turning on AppSync for each app that supports it. Go to Settings, your name, iCloud, and toggle switches on. For apps you want to keep but free local space, use Offload app in Settings General iPhone Storage. That preserves documents and data in iCloud. For apps with big databases, export backups from the app and re-import after enabling iCloud syncing, because direct transfer can fail for very large datasets. You finish by verifying that the app data actually uploaded. Open Settings, your name, iCloud, then manage storage and inspect per app usage. Once confirmed, restart the device and launch each moved app to ensure settings and documents load correctly. If something didn't sync, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, or restore using the backup you made at the start. This often resolves authorization or indexing issues. For persistent problems, free additional iCloud GB or contact app support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.